Morning, everyone. Real good here. It's a nice morning. Got up early. Market's crashing. I'm all cash now. And I'm listening to reminiscences of a stock operator on Audible. And I'm going to be on my way back to my buddy's house for some day trading today. Market's feeling a bit volatile, unpredictable right now. And yet, I'm sure there's plenty of room for making money if you know what's coming. Perhaps and sometimes it's more risky, more of a gamble, less predictable. Yes, if the market is going up or down, you can make money. The long-term consistent making money is when there is an ability to predict. It's when there's a probabilistic behavior in the market. So if it's purely random, if the volatility is purely random, good time to get your money out and do something else. Day trading, the Nasdaq micros, not as affected by the market because we're really trying to scalp. We're doing this on a several minute basis. We're hardly ever holding for more than 10 minutes. So the overall market movement's not as big of a deal. Still, we like to be in an environment of patterns that we can predict. If it's purely random, it's not going to work out very well for us. I am totally fine with a market correction or crash. You just got to be in the right place. If you think the market's going down, don't ride it down. Buy it down. Buy low, sell high. Buy support, sell resistance. And I really like playing consolidation. Any sort of pennant or flag pattern. And put a little bet. Sort of like a 5-to-1 bet. Put a stop loss. Tightness of the stop loss depending on the time scale. So that's where I'm at this morning. If you have any thoughts, questions about the stock market, feel free to hit me up in the comments. And let's see, it might be fun for me to make predictions since I'm probably not going to post this video for a few months. Let's see, what are my predictions about the stock market? So my predictions about the stock market depend heavily on whether or not this video gets posted before or after the election. I think there will be significant corrections coming into and through the election. Significant. I would not be surprised if we see a 30-40% recession over the following 2 years. That bubble being about to pop right now. There might be a bit of money to make over the next month on swings. But I think we're going to be coming down pretty hard. At least in the beginning of November, if not for a couple of years straight. So, what to do? If y'all believe me, and I believe myself, the question is, what should I be doing with my money? What should you be doing with your money? And feel free to give all the advice you want in the comments. For me, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit this video with a like. And I'll get back to you with a follow-up. So let's see what to do with your money. So honestly, it depends if you've gotten to this video before or after the crash. The crash hasn't come yet. Roughly, you're going to move your money usually more toward cash, stable things, bonds, gold, maybe even crypto. I just said crypto is stable, my goodness. Let me switch that around and say you might want to move out of equities. I'm predicting an equities crash, possible housing market crash to follow, I think we're going to kind of see the whole thing squash down. So I guess point one is don't get attached to the numbers in your bank account during the next 2 years, or you're going to be suffering some pain. And remember, if the market's crashing, most people are crashing with you. So that's why I'm saying don't get too attached to those exact numbers. Everyone's coming down, but the whole economy is sort of recorrecting itself. Another bit of advice, which is sort of my favorite approach, is to have capital and be buying equities as the market crashes. Ideally, you'll have a job, nearly any job, and it can be the most powerful time in your life during the crash to have a job or have capital and be buying on the way down. Now, during the crash, you're not going to want to invest any money that you're going to need within the next couple of years. You're going to want to possibly reduce your lifestyle, to be honest, for the sake of stretching your money and being able to have capital to buy into the cheap market. I don't recommend trying to time the market, especially on the crash. We can pretty much get comfortable with the idea that the market will come back eventually. So just buy the whole way down. I wouldn't necessarily short it. All right, so there's a few ideas, and we're coming up on 7 minutes here. So I'll wrap it there. I'll share more ideas as they come up. Probably share with you later today lessons from day trading, give you a little report on that. Make sure you subscribe and hit like if you like the trading talk. Share, feel free to share your thoughts and feelings and your own trading channels down in the comments section. Make sure you're subscribed. This is real good. It's gonna keep getting better. I'll see you soon. Bye.